This video presents the work in progress MyChanges, tools for the co-designing of housing transformations. Since some decades, architecture promotes a participatory approach that gives inhabitants the power to co-determine architectural design. Indeed, creating diversity is a goal that has been in the mind of architects for decades. Our hypothesis is that giving inhabitants design solutions that would fit individual needs and aspirations will increase their satisfaction with their house. To promote the co-designing of housing, we developed a prototype tool that enables inhabitants to create and explore alterations to their houses. This tool, MyChanges, is based on a shape grammar design system. These shape grammar design systems aim to explore large solution spaces in an iterative manner. As such, they form an excellent means to support designers and architects in finding diversified design solutions. The entire experience of MyChanges comprehends two main parts, the shape generation and the visualization. The shape generation is currently a mock-up simulation that reproduces some of the generation possibilities of the grammar. This mock-up of the MyChanges tool is divided into two zones, a sidebar that corresponds to the menu and the middle area with an image of the house facade to be customized. The customizable elements in the facade are identified with dots on which the user can click. Windows, doors, gate, wall, ornaments, and railings can be changed. The goal is that users can combine the customization of several of these elements as they prefer. To reach the result, the user chooses the customizable element she wants to customize and select the customization options she wants from the menu. This step is repeated until the user is satisfied with the drawing. For visualizing the outcomes, we developed three different possibilities. One of these possibilities is a semi-immersive visualization, where the final design can be seen by a 360 degrees render of the site using a smartphone. We developed a 3D model in Autodesk Revit, and Enscape library extra elements were added to the environment. After detailing the 3D model, we rendered the 2D panorama to be seen in a smartphone screen using the app VR Media Center. The second visualization possibility is a fully immersive visualization using a head-mounted display and where the final design can be freely navigated by the user. We used the same Revit model, but now a bigger 3D model was developed so that users could navigate around their neighborhood. To place this model in VR mode and see it in a fully immersive way, we used Unity software and Oculus Rift. The third visualization possibility we developed is a non-immersive screen-based visualization using a tablet, and where the final design is visualized as a static image. In this visualization, we used a photo of a house in the neighborhood and superimposed digital elements as wall frames, window frames, and door frames, as well as decorations. We designed these visualization possibilities to empower inhabitants to understand and explore the modifications to their houses. We then tested the three visualization possibilities with real inhabitants of the neighborhood of Malagueira in Évora, Portugal, and concluded that inhabitants were pleased with the potential of the tool. Participants evaluated well the usefulness of MyChanges mockup, always ranking above 4 in a scale from 1 to 5. The preferred choices for visualization were the non-immersive visualization with a tablet, quoting inhabitants because it is simpler to see, and the fully immersive visualization with Oculus Rift, also quoting inhabitants because it looks real. The next version of the prototype will use augmented reality and HoloLens so that users can explore the house alterations while in front of their houses. In such a scenario, by using a hands-free device as HoloLens, users could easily choose for their alteration possibilities and visualize them in different perspectives in front of their house. With the MyChanges prototype tool, we aim at supporting housing customization that accommodates the evolving needs of inhabitants. Such tool can be used as a way of mediating the communication between architects and inhabitants. Also, the tool can be used as a way for inhabitants to express their wills by directly designing them in co-design processes.